We're going to move on to what broker. Again, we are a big fan of M1 for your more longer term passive investing. If you have a taxable account, if you have a retirement account, if you have children, you can open custodial accounts there. Great for passive investing, automatic investing. You're not trading there. That is strictly more longer term stuff, similar to what your 401k, what your 401k is going to do for you. For the actual trading, TD Ameritrade or E-Trade, for most US people, it's going to be your best bet. If you're international, Interactive Brokers is also going to probably be a good choice if you're outside the United States. So those are kind of the big three. You got M1 for long-term passive stuff, TD or E-Trade for the active swing trading. Again, Webull and Robinhood are very common, but with everything being commission-free brokers now, you'd rather go to a more full service broker like a TD or an E-Trade than the lower tiers like the Webulls and the Robinhoods. My only analogy is like if you can buy a Mercedes or you can buy a Honda for the same price, why would you go with the Honda? That's kind of like those Robinhood examples. Not going to be the end of the world if you use them. Again, they're all going to do the same thing. They're all going to execute your orders. But when everything is free from an execution standpoint, it's often a little bit easier to gravitate towards the bigger players in the space.